Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be applying and reviewing some of these Dashing Diva Gel nail strips. I saw these at Walmart for their holiday collection. These are the two patterns that I got, were these little Santas and these snowflakes. I will put over here all of the different designs that they had for Christmas. They were all so cute. They had tons and tons of different designs. At Walmart, these were $6.49, I think. I'll have to check my receipt. I know that they also sell these at Ulta. They're $7.99 at Ulta, I think, and they do sell them at a couple of other places. You can buy them direct from the actual website themselves. But I just thought they were so cute. Like, look at these little sparkles and sweater themes and snowflakes. I think I'm going to keep these for January though, because I feel like these are more like New Year's winter-esque when there's snow on the ground. These can go a little bit further. But I got these little Santas and Rudolph, and I think these are so cute. So, I've never actually heard of Dashing Diva before. I have tried my fair share of nail strips, from Jamberries to Color Streets to Sally Henson to Dollar Tree to all kinds of different ones. So I'm excited to see these. It says lasts up to 14 days. You get 34 gel nail strips. So theoretically you could get 3 manicures out of this one pack. So let's see. On the back it does give you instructions for how to apply. Prep the nail, size the nail, apply, file, how to remove, gently lift off. I haven't opened these yet, so let's open them up. This particular style is called Santa's Helper, and it does have the little bunny that says cruelty and vegan if that concerns you in your purchasing. So what do you get in your package? You get the nail strips, a file, and the instructions. Okay, it says to prep your nails. It says wash hands with soap and water, shape nails and push back cuticles. Use an alcohol prep pad or acetone remover to ensure nails are clear from oils or residue. Make sure your nails are completely dry before application. I have already washed and shaped my nails to my liking before this. It also says, pro tip, try Red Therapy Base Seal Treatment for gloss to protect and strengthen natural nails before application and even after removed. I do not have that, so we are going to go right along. However, I did read in the comment sections of Facebook that it is not necessary to have them last for 14 days. Select size is step number 2. So step 2 is to select the size of each strip for optimal fit. The strip should not exceed past the nail bed or onto skin or cuticle. It says pro tip, if you're between sizes, choose the smaller size for proper adhesion. Good tip. And then it also says to use tweezers for completing that. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fit my nails first, and cut the strips out so I can lay them out so I can see my manicure as a whole instead of just kind of like sticking and going along, because I feel like I'm one that likes both of my hands to match. However, I don't have as many accent nails as I probably would need for like a full set of matching hands. So we are going to size first and then go from there. This is the manicure. that I think I'm going to go ahead and do. I actually took this stripe one and cut it in half and then cut my pinkies really short. I know that this one will probably fit. This one might be a little short. We will cross that bridge when we get to it, but I love a matching manicure. I don't know why. Just let me live my matching manicure life. So, for application, place strip over the center of the nail starting at cuticle. Press line, cuticle line pressing outward. Press down firmly from center and side to side. Make sure strip is applied slightly above cuticle line. Avoid placement on skin. To finish, fold over excess material. Using the white side of the file, press down firmly in one direction, making sure that you're getting everything. All right, so let's start with one hand at a time. We'll move those out of the way. And I feel like let's start with my thumb. And I don't really know if there's like an up or down to these. I don't think so. The only thing that I will say is that you can kind of see like my nail is a little exposed on the edge. So when you are filing down, maybe like file back like this so that you don't get that like rough exposed edge. But these are really nice. They're thick. They have a nice like adhesion quality to them. Do they look as nice on camera? Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. So one hand done. It's super cute. I wish I would have filed this nail a little bit better before I put it on. Doesn't look all that great. From far away, I think they look really cute. If you are looking up close and personal, whoops. If you are looking up close and personal, obviously, if you're picking smaller strips or you put them on sideways, you can see that, especially with like your pinky finger. But from far away, you really can't tell all that much. You can't tell on my thumb. But it's super cute. I really like these. They're nice and high quality. I'm gonna go put the other hand on off camera, and then I will be back to give my final thoughts of these. But they're actually super cute and very nice. Very impressed so far. Okay guys, so here are the nails. I applied both, and on my pinky I actually applied a red one and then the stripes over top to kind of compensate for me cutting it in half. Again, from far away I don't think you actually can tell, but look at how cute these reindeer and Santa are. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with these. They're a really thick nail strip, and so they're actually really nice and they apply really nice. They have like a heavy adhesive on them. The only thing is that whenever you are filing them off, make sure you're kind of like filing this way on like an angle in towards your palm, because if not, you're going to get like this exposed edge, if you will. But yeah, really, really happy, and also really happy with how this sparkly one applied. I feel like these ones are always kind of like the hardest, and I was really surprised with how opaque it was. I thought it was going to be a little bit more translucent. Yeah, super, super cute. For like $6.50 at Walmart, definitely not upset. I know that Ulta has a lot of coupons out right now, obviously for the holidays. So if you could get like money off these, they're a great nail strip, to be honest. I'm interested to see how they wear. A lot of the comment sections at Facebook or on Facebook said that these wore just as long as Color Street or Jamberry. So interested to see how that works out. But for the holidays, it's just something fun, especially if you are, one, not comfortable going to the salon for getting your nails done because of COVID, and also if you're just short on time and don't have time to wait for your nails to dry to do like a proper manicure. Gel strips, I feel like, are always like the super quick and easy option. Another little hack that my friend Kara, hey Kara if you're watching, was talking to me about was if you don't either have long nails or you're not happy with how your nails look before you put these on, you can take a fake nail and you can put the strips on a fake nail first. How ingenious is that? I never even thought to do that. But just put the nail strip on a fake nail first, file it off, and then put the fake nail on your actual nail. And then there, boom, manicure. Also, the Dollar Tree has like these packs of fake nails too. So you can get a whole pack of 100 nails for $1, then put your little Dashing Diva gloss strips on top of these. Or you can, you know, buy these Sassy and Chic ones if you like the shorter nails and just put it on top of those. You guys, that's a fabulous, fabulous hack. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I will link the Dashing Diva gloss strips down in the description box below, so if you're interested, you can check them out on your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.